The idea of requiring all citizens to participate in community governance presents a bold vision for enhancing civic engagement, accountability, and local decision-making. This approach envisions a more participatory democracy where citizens actively contribute to the governance process, shaping policies and decisions that affect their lives and communities. This essay explores the potential effects of mandatory civic participation on civic engagement, accountability, and the overall quality of local decision-making. At the heart of requiring citizen participation in community governance is the principle of civic engagement. Civic engagement refers to the ways in which individuals participate in their communities and influence decision-making processes. Mandatory participation could lead to a significant increase in civic engagement, as citizens would be compelled to take an active role in governance. This could manifest in various forms, such as attending town hall meetings, serving on local councils, participating in community forums, or engaging in collaborative decision-making processes. One of the primary benefits of increased civic engagement is the potential for a more informed and active citizenry. When citizens are required to participate in governance, they are likely to become more knowledgeable about local issues, policies, and the functioning of government. This heightened awareness can lead to more meaningful discussions and debates, fostering a culture of informed decision-making. As citizens engage with one another and with their elected representatives, they can share diverse perspectives and experiences, enriching the dialogue around community needs and priorities. Moreover, mandatory participation can empower marginalized voices that are often underrepresented in traditional governance structures. By actively involving a broader cross-section of the community, local governance can become more inclusive and reflective of the diverse needs and interests of residents. This inclusivity can enhance social cohesion and strengthen community ties, as individuals from different backgrounds come together to collaborate on common goals. Accountability is another critical aspect of community governance that could be positively impacted by requiring citizen participation. When citizens are actively involved in decision-making processes, they are more likely to hold their leaders and representatives accountable for their actions. Increased civic engagement can lead to greater scrutiny of local government decisions, ensuring that elected officials are responsive to the needs and concerns of their constituents. This accountability can foster trust in government institutions and enhance the legitimacy of local governance. Furthermore, involving citizens in the decision-making process can lead to more transparent and equitable outcomes. When community members have a seat at the table, they can advocate for their interests and ensure that policies are developed with input from those who will be directly affected. This participatory approach can help mitigate the influence of special interest groups and promote policies that prioritize the common good. As a result, local decision-making may become more democratic and reflective of the community's collective values. However, the requirement for all citizens to participate in governance also presents challenges. One of the primary concerns is the potential for disengagement or apathy among individuals who may not feel equipped or interested in participating. Mandating participation without providing adequate support, education, and resources could lead to frustration and disillusionment. It is essential for local governments to create inclusive environments that encourage meaningful participation and provide citizens with the tools they need to engage effectively. Additionally, the logistics of implementing mandatory participation can be complex. Local governments would need to develop systems and structures to facilitate citizen involvement, ensuring that participation is accessible to all residents. This may involve offering flexible meeting times, providing transportation options, and utilizing technology to enable remote participation. Ensuring that all voices are heard and valued is crucial for fostering a sense of ownership and commitment among community members. Another challenge is the potential for decision-making processes to become bogged down by excessive participation. While diverse perspectives are valuable, requiring all citizens to weigh in on every decision could lead to inefficiencies and delays in governance. Striking a balance between broad participation and effective decision-making will be essential for maintaining the functionality of local governance. Establishing clear guidelines and processes for participation can help streamline decision-making while still valuing citizen input. Moreover, there is a risk that mandatory participation could lead to tokenism, where individuals are involved in governance processes without meaningful influence over decisions. To prevent this, local governments must ensure that citizen input is genuinely considered and integrated into decision-making. This may involve creating mechanisms for feedback, providing updates on how citizen contributions have shaped policies, and recognizing the importance of ongoing engagement beyond initial participation. In conclusion, requiring all citizens to participate in community governance has the potential to enhance civic engagement, accountability, and the quality of local decision-making. By fostering a more informed and active citizenry, communities can benefit from diverse perspectives and collaborative problem-solving. Increased accountability can lead to greater trust in government institutions and more equitable outcomes. However, the successful implementation of mandatory participation requires careful consideration of the challenges involved, including the need for inclusive and accessible participation processes. By prioritizing meaningful engagement and ensuring that citizen voices are valued, local governance can become a powerful tool for strengthening communities and promoting democratic ideals. As society navigates the complexities of governance, the vision of an engaged and empowered citizenry can pave the way for a more vibrant and resilient democracy.